to another review brought to you by RCUNIVERSE.COM. In this review, we're going to look at the Ozone 3-channel RC helicopter brought to you by the folks at Venom International. The Ozone is a beginner's helicopter with counter-rotating rotors for stability and a unique horizontal rotor on the tail. There is no collective on this little helicopter, so throttle is going to control your altitude, and yaw is controlled by varying the speed between the two motors that drive the counter-rotating main blades. Forward and reverse flight is controlled by the horizontal tail rotor, and the tail rotor only comes on when needed. The Ozone helicopter comes with a LiPo battery with balancing tab and charger. The charger takes about an hour to charge the batteries, and the batteries last for 7 to 10 minutes of flying. The Ozone comes ready to fly in a box that doubles for storage and transport. I really enjoyed flying this little helicopter. I had almost no helicopter experience, and within a few flights I was able to consistently hover a few feet off the ground. One great thing about this helicopter is that I can get my RC fix without loading the truck up and heading out to the field. With the LiPo batteries, a 7 to 10 minute flight at home gives me just enough RC between trips to the field on the weekend. Within a few flights I was practicing level flight circles and landing on the coffee table. Make sure you turn off any fans inside because the Ozone is light and it's sensitive to air currents. I found the Ozone to be tough and nearly crash-proof. If you break any part of the helicopter, Venom International has all the replacement parts available on their website. One thing I would like to see is replaceable landing skids. With the current setup, the landing skids are an integral part of the chassis, and replacing them would require a lot of disassembly. The Ozone 3-channel helicopter is a great value. It's stable and easy to fly, allows you to master the basics of helicopter flying. For the more advanced flyer, it offers a chance to fly RC when you can't get to the field. Thanks for watching another RCUniverse.com review. My name is Chris Batchelor, and we'll see you at the field.